Next, we'll create the auxiliary components, starting with the top panel. Take a look at the reference image. The outer edges of the top panel are offset 50 mm from the transformer body, and its thickness is 40 mm. Go to the reference level and use the extrusion tool to draw a rectangle. Set the offset to 50 and snap the corners to the transformer body. Then use the dimension tool to measure each offset distance from the reference planes to the outer edges and lock them. Click Finish to complete the extrusion. Next, switch to the front view and move the top panel upward. Create a new reference plane, align the panel to the planes, and measure the distance between the two planes. Set this distance to 40 mm, then lock it in place. That completes the top panel of the transformer. Now let's move on to the fine reinforcement bars. In the front view, you'll see two reinforcement positions, one at the top and one at the bottom of the fins. Create a new reference plane to define the center of the cylindrical bar. Measure the distance from the transformer body to the bar's center, 200 mm for the L200 fins, and 250 mm for the L250 fins. Once the center is set, use the extrusion tool to draw two circles. Turn on center mark visible and align both circles to the reference planes. Remember to lock them. Use the diameter dimension tool to define their sizes. Since these bars are permanent family elements, you can manually adjust their radius. No need for separate parameters. Click Finish, then return to the reference level and align each side of the cylinder with the reference planes. Repeat the same steps for the L250 fins. Finally, insert all the nested families into the transformer. These include the bushings, nameplate, lifting lugs, and roller stands. You can download all these families from the link below in the description section.
Looking for piping catalogs you can trust? At pipingcontent.com, you'll find ready-to-use libraries for AutoCAD Plant 3D, Revit, Smart 3D, E3D, and more. Get instant access to valves, fittings, and components. Click on the link below in description section and explore pipingcontent.com today.